Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you. This is related to the 2023 batch. There is a very important update that is related to the TCS Ninja or digital interview. TCS team sending the documents mail update like they want a mark sheet of 10th, 12th diploma, UG and PG up to the semester as soon as possible. So why they are asking the mark sheet that is related to 10th 12th diploma is your interview in the next upcoming days, and one of the most important point, what is the actual meaning of badged. This video is very important for all of you, and when your interview will be scheduled, important updates, all queries solved in today's video. Let's start. Before starting, on our channel we already updated some of the good videos for all of you that is related to TCS 2023 batch, so I suggest you to please check some of the good videos. Okay, so one of the most important point, I already mentioned that this is the process that is related to the candidate badged, but this is the complete playlist or complete videos I already made for all of you that is related to the TCS Ninja or digital process. So as you can see on my screen, that first is there is an application received, applied for drive, then candidate badged means your interview process registration is successful and soon you will got your interview invite. Okay, and after that if you cleared that interview, so offer letter generated, after that offer letter accepted, and there is a ILP initial learning program that is related to the training. This is the complete process, like from the application received to the offer letter. Okay, so many candidates confuse in the candidate badged option. So the former junior engineer at Tata Consultancy Services already mentioned on the Quora platform, like the question is like I am getting a candidate badged status on the TCS Next Step portal, but I have not received any interview schedule. What should I do? Don't worry, you are selected for the interview round. Wait until you get the mail date of interview and location. Previously for the 2021 batches, this is the similar process. Okay, this is the similar process that is related to the application received to ILP. So the candidate badged is nothing meaning of like that you are present on the exam day itself, so they are just turned your status as a candidate badged. So it is not like here. Candidate badged means you are selected for the interview round. They will share the next details that is related. So this is the complete process. Offer letter, offer accepted, ILP eligible, ILP schedule, joining letter generated, joining letter accepted. So this is the complete process that is related. So the next update is from the, so many candidates got the mail that is related, dear candidate, kindly share the mark sheets of your 10 12 diploma and UG and PG up to the semester. So if you got this type of mail and if you not receive any of the update of your result, so please share, please send your 10 12th diploma, UG, PG mark sheet up to the semester as soon as possible to TCS team, because I think you are selected, and just check the status of your TCS Next Step portal. If the TCS Next Step portal is status is badged, means soon your interview will be scheduled in the upcoming days and they will share details, because so many candidates already got the mail that is related to TCS NQT next round digital interview process. Greetings from the campus recruitment team TCS. Congratulations, we are happy to inform that on your performance they will schedule or shortlisted for a digital interview with us. They mention the eligibility criteria. One of the most important point, only those students who are not meeting the under mentioned criteria are not eligible for the interview process can initiate us by responding us to this mail. One of the most important point, if your status is badged but your criteria is not matched, or your gap criteria or your backlog criteria, so they will not send any interview invite. Okay, because they already mentioned in the eligibility criteria point, candidate must from 23, there should not be more than one backlog, gap in education should not exceed more than 24 months, candidate must have aggregate of 66 percentage, 6 CGPA and above in 10 12 diploma, extension of education qualification is strictly not allowed, candidates having UG PG degree from any open university will not be considered. Further interview details would be shared on your registered email ID shortly. They just mentioned that this is the eligibility criteria, and one of the most important point, if you received the status as a badged, must wait for some of the time, because they are sharing soon the details that is related to the next process. And there is another update, I think in your next step soon coming, like there is a hall ticket also, but the hall ticket is just for the record itself. Okay, it is not like you have to go to the particular address for the interview. Okay, it is just related for record maintaining. And on tonight, like 9 to 9:30 p.m, I will upload one video that is related to interview preparation. And my team member Sagnik Saha also cleared the TCS digital interview previously. Okay, and he's from 2022 batch, so soon I will share his interview experience with all of you. If you want preparation videos, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please drop a like and share with your friends.